In a transaction processing inquiry application, an interactive function will present several dialogues to the user for him to view, change data. For example, in the sample application, 3 screens were presented to capture earnings and deductions of an employee, each time capturing one employee's one earning or deduction data. In a traditional development environment, code will be written to for each dialogue screen width. Code defining each controls items in dialogue. Some assistance may be provided with varying degree of sophistication to generate the code, not eliminate the code. Code placing the data values for each control from database. Some assistance may be provided with varying degree of sophistication to generate eliminate the code. Code to validate the data values supplied by user. Code updating the data values to the database. Code that creates the first dialogue and present it to the user. Code for navigating from one dialogue to other, thus having the need to write several lines of procedural code specifying the process. Code will also differ from platform language. Instead of embedding in the code, collection of dialogues and their sizes, controls in the dialogue and their positions sizes, their data values in relation to the database. All validations as specified in the schema. Additional dialogue specific validations. What data values to update in the database. What is the first dialogue and how dialogues navigate. They could be stored in a database. Single program written to read the database and to perform these operations and achieve the same results, and this is what MinSitP does, and the single program is Winform client. Winform function designer facilitates times designing the dialogues to capture and view columns values of the table rows, times defining the updates of the table and navigating between the dialogues when buttons are clicked, times defining of the Winform functions, which specifies the starting dialogue of a function. It will also facilitate saving these in a specification database. Winform client will access this specification database when the application is executed. It also facilitates compiling RDBMS specification database into Open Microsoft Compound file.